So the products that I use when I'm doing my brows are, first thing is a brow pomade, and this is the brow pomade by ABH, and this is in the shade Ebony. Looks like that. And I think sometimes this shade is a little bit darker for my skin tone, but I kind of put light strokes when I'm applying it, that way it's not too dark. So you can either use Ebony or you can use a shade lighter than Ebony, but I've been using Ebony for quite a while and it works well. I just have to minimize how much I put on, that way it doesn't look too dark. Next thing that I use to clean up my brows once I'm done filling them in is a concealer. This is the Morphe Fluidity Concealer, and this one is in the shade C455. I used to use the LA Girl Pro concealers when I used to fill in my brows, and I used to once upon a time used to use the MAC Prolong Wear concealers, the ones that come in the little compact container thing. And then once I'm done cleaning them up, I use a brow setting gel. So this is a clear gel from Benefit. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, and I stopped using it because I wanted to try the Benefit brow gel. So I use this to set my brows and have them sit for the whole day. This is a 24-hour brow setter, so my brows will stay intact for 24 hours. So I set off with a spoolie. I got this from the MAC counter. You can get this at any makeup counter, they're free. So I use that to brush them out. And my brows are not done, so sometimes it's difficult to fill them in when they're overdue, but I'm gonna work with that. I'm trying to grow them out. And now when I am filling them in, I use a small angled brush. This is the Morphe M215 brush, and I go in slightly, and I'm trying not to pick up a lot of product. And then at the bottom I draw a line following my natural brow line. I pick up a little bit more. So I'm following that natural brow line. Just draw that natural line like that. And each time you're filling in your brows, make sure that they are parallel to the corner of your eye. So where the corner of your eye starts, you kind of pull it all the way up, and then where it stops is where your brow wing needs to stop, like that. And then we go at the top, fill in the top as well, and then pull down. So always follow your natural eyebrow line. It kind of guides you on where to go when you're filling them in. You don't want it to look too big and you don't want it to look too small. You want it to look natural. And then I'm just gonna fill in with light strokes like this. And I just picked up a little bit more product from the pomade, and I'm just slightly filling. Like I said, you do not want it to be too dark, so just do not use excessively the product. And I'm just going back in to pick up a little bit more, and I'm slightly filling it in carefully like that. And then I'm gonna go back in with a spoolie and just brush that out. And fill them in. Just remember to always follow your natural hairline. It will always guide you. Just gonna fill right here. Now that we're done filling them in, I'm gonna go in with a concealer and just start filling them in. I like to use an angled brush because it gives me control. So I start off at the bottom. And I'm slowly cleaning up. And then I like to go in with a flat brush. This is the Morphe S4 brush, and then I clean that out with a flat brush. I just blend it in. Then I'm gonna go at the top and clean that up too. Flat brush. I'm gonna go in with my spoolie, just kind of brush it out. The difference between the brow that we just cleaned up with concealer and the one that we didn't clean up. This is it in terms of filling in the brows. I'm gonna go ahead and now finish them off by applying that brow gel. So brow gels are such a lifesaver. I'm telling you, if you're gonna be wearing makeup for the whole day, these things are amazing because your brows would not move, sis. They will stay intact. I'm gonna go in and slowly brush over my brows. And the direction you brush your hairs is the direction they're gonna stick. I'm gonna go ahead, apply mascara, apply lashes, and I will be right back, okay? Look, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a thing or two. I love doing tutorials like this, especially because it took me forever to master filling in my brows. I can't even tell you. I remember first time I started doing my brows was in college, and I say to myself, I'm gonna do my eyebrows every day when I'm going to class so I can master the craft of doing eyebrows. And after so many trials and so many failures, I figured it out. So I hope this video was really informative and helped you learn a thing or two about filling in your brows. If you guys have any questions, if there's something I wasn't able to tap on, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, show it some love, and do not forget to, most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.